So today topic is on profiles. So Shravya, so if you want, you can please make a running notes of it. So it will be easy for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So sorry, not profiles. So today class is not in profiles. So today class will be on NQ. So in NQ we have few topics left. So I need to discuss on lock issues. Okay. So just listen carefully. So lock issues. So generally, some major lock issues what we face is that NQ time is high. That is in central instance. So in central instance, it is reaching beyond the threshold value. Okay. So this is one of the major concern. Okay. So generally the threshold value is 1 to 5 millisecond, as I told you yesterday, right? In the yesterday recording, which I pasted in the YouTube, you can go through that. And in dialog instance, it is reaching beyond 100 milliseconds. Okay. So in that case, what we can do? So in that case, 1 minute. So in that case, what we can do? So in this case, you can consider to increase the NQ time. Okay. NQ time, or try to increase the NQ process. Okay. NQ process which shares the same log table. So what is the T code for the NQ? Yesterday I told you, right? What is the T code for NQ? Are you not studying? Srinisha, Rajesh.
SM12, sir.
Yes. SM12 is the T code for the NQ. And where we can see the NQ process? Where we can see the NQ process? We can see in SMMS T code. So generally, so message server and NQ. So this is the, so yesterday I told you that it has been splitted ASCS. So message server and NQ server has been splitted to ASCS. Okay. Okay. Yesterday I told you with the help of slide, right? So if you go through my recordings in the YouTube, you can able to see there. Okay. So try to increase the NQ process. So what is the parameter for the NQ? Yesterday I told you, right? So this is the parameter. So these are defined in RG10. So in the profile class, I will tell you how to increase the parameter and how to decrease the parameter. So what is the parameter? I will explain you in the profile class. Okay. So when it is reaching the 1 to 5 millisecond in the central instance and in the dialog instance, it is reaching beyond the threshold value. So in that case, what you need to do? You need to increase the NQ time and the table which share the same log, you need to increase that NQ process. So this is one of the issue which majorly the user acknowledge. Okay. The second one. So actually, I told you in the NQ, not in the update class, I told you. So generally, you need to monitor the update process, and in the same time, you need to monitor the memories. Okay. So how you will monitor extras, statistics. So in the SM12, there is a static. You need to monitor the maximum current fill level. So see, maximum fill level is 14. Now the current fill level is 6. So it is less than 50%. If this current fill level is close to 14, what will happen? So your lock overflow will happen. Lock overflow. So table gets overflow. Just like I told you in one of the class about the bottleneck. So you need to monitor this NQ statistics. So current fill level you have to monitor. See, maximum fill level is 19. Now it is current fill level is 8. Okay. Similarly here. So you need to observe carefully where it go to the SM12, come to extras and click on statistics. Okay. So in the similarly you can use check for the top capacity use, that is current history, each and everything. Okay. Understood? Yes or no? So see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So log table overflow. Okay. Log table overflow is log in SM21. So all these you can able to, if suppose suddenly the value is getting increased, so log will be generated in SM21 and at the same time dumps will generate in the ST22 T code. So these are the 22. These are the two T codes. One is SM21 and one is ST22. So you need to carefully monitor the log table. Otherwise, it will get overflow. Okay. Right. So this is the one. The user complained about the log issues. Okay. So see, when in this case, your log table suddenly gets full, what will be the, what action you can do? So you can increase the parameter. Yesterday I told about the table size. Okay. When I go up, so you need to go for the increase of this parameter. Okay. So in this case, you need to you need to increase this parameter. Generally, for the new version, it is 200 MB. Okay, for new versions. So by default value will be 200 MB. So you need to increase this parameter beyond the 200 MB. Okay, right? Right. One you need to do check the statistics, and another is to you need to check this usage. You need to check the usage. Okay, top capacity, use, current, and you can check for the history also. Okay. So you can you can able to see in extras and statistics, and another one, extras, top capacity, used. Okay, that is current. So you need to monitor regularly. So now one more user complaint is that update process gets deactivated. So the update process deactivated when your update get hangs, and there is a sudden increase in the file system. So basically you can check these also. So you need to check these statistics. Okay, one is this one and another is this one. So same you can check in this situation. So generally what happens when your update gets deactivated, what will happen? So the whatever the data it is in the temporary table, it will not update in the permanent table, right? So in that situation, you need to see the statistics of the NQ. So if you don't check this one, what will happen? Your update gets deactivated. So the T code for the update is what? Update T code. Update T code. Update class అయింది కదా మీకు update T code. Hello, update T code and update Srinisha.
SM13 sir.
SM13 and SM14, but coming to the update deactivate, your T code is SM14. So T code for update is SM14. SM14 is the T code for update. Okay, so these are all related to update issues. I am talking about the updates only. So another issue is related to the deadlock. Whenever there is a deadlock in the system, so there will be sudden issue in the log. Okay, the second one is the deadlock. So in this case, so generally I told some examples of the deadlock. So deadlock are caused due to a programming error between the two transactions. between the two transactions, okay, and the logical unit of work, okay, and the logical unit of work while you apply logical unit of work which can be fixed by applying support packages, okay, support packages, or you can say as a patch, okay. So if the suppose this issue is not fixing, still you applying a support packages or patches, then you need to raise an incident to SAP. Then you need to raise an incident to SAP. In that case, you need to raise an to SAP. Okay, understood? Ardhamaitanda. So I am discussing some interview point of questions. What are the possible lock issues which we face in the real time? Okay. So another issue is problem with network. So it can be problem with the network also. Problem with the network. Okay. So in that case, you need to check the network. Okay, right? Right. So next one, problem with the message server. Okay, if there is a problem with the message server, then also there will be issue with the log. So the T code is SMMS, and you need to check the issue. The T code is SMMS. I told you just now, right? SMMS. So basically you need to check whether the message server is running or not. Here in this case is active. Okay, right? Right. Okay, so these are the possible reasons for the lock issues. Okay, right? Any doubt up to here? So sometimes what happen, configuration with other application server, configuration with the configuration of other application server, not with configuration of other application server, like some parameters, like hard disk enq name, and hard disk slash ms host must be set up on the NQ, or message server of the other instance. Okay, so might be this parameter issue which causes the NQ. Sometimes it happens. So all the possible reasons I have listed here. So please go through it. Okay. So this all about the NQ issues. Okay. So you need to go through this NQ topics. And yesterday I told you. So whatever the log entry. So generally the logs are observed in which T code? Logs are observed in which T code? Yes, tell me. Log T code. Locks are observed in which key code?
No.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Samsung, tell me, what is the lock T code?
System 12, sir.
Yes, yes. So yesterday what I told, the logs which held above 12 hours, right? The logs which are held above 12 hours, you need to escalate to the next level. And for the dialogue, what is the time duration yesterday I told? For dialogue,
More than 12 hours. Sorry.
that is for the background. I'm asking about dialogue.
Less than 60 minutes.
Yeah. So the logs in the dialogue which are running more than 1 hour, you need to take necessary actions by dropping mail to the user, right? And don't try to ever delete the log entries. Instead, kill the user session. So that is not recommended. SAP has recommended don't kill the log entries manually. Kill the user session in SM04. Yesterday I showed you, right? And moreover, without any permission, you should not do such kind of things, deleting log entry, killing the user session. You need to take an approval from your team lead or manager. Upon his approval, then only you need to do such activities, and not verbally. Not verbally. You need a mail. Mail ఉండాలా, ఎందుకంటే ప్రూవ్ ఉంటుంది. అదే కానీ నేనేదో ఫోన్లో చెప్తే రికార్డింగ్ ఉండదు కదా. సో కంపల్సరీ యూ నీడ్ టు say that please drop an mail to your lead and manager, so that according to that I can do the particular activity. ఎవరైనా మాటలతో చెప్తే చేయకండి. Don't do verbally. Ask him the mail. Okay, ask him the mail. And ticket also, please provide us the ticket number also to the user. Someone tells to kill the particular thing, ask them the ticket also. Okay, so it will keep a record that yeah, we have a ticket and we have a mail according to that. So in the auditing, so in the future, if suppose there is an auditing, so you will be in the safe side. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Understood, Rajesh, Samsung?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is all about the NQ. Okay. So now see, one interview question I will write here about the NQ. So see, what happens to logs if the NQ server is restarted or crashed. Okay. So this is one of the interview question. Okay. So see, so generally the logs are stored on disk. Okay. So during the crash, or those who are passed for the update. So generally pass for update during commit means save during commit. Okay, so what happened, the backup, so backup occurs at that time. at that time, right? Which will get update, right? Which will update. See, so logs generally are stored in the disk. So what happened? So during the crash, so generally so update work process will update, right? When you perform a save point, that is commit. So suppose that backup occurs at that time. So backup occurs at that time. So at this particular time, suppose particular time it was crashed or restarted or crashed or restarted. So the log entries which are stored in the disk will get reloaded in the log table. So nothing will happen to the logs. So see, so generally what, for each and everything backup will be there. So update work process will update from temporary table to permanent table. So that is used for the update. So at backup will be happen simultaneously. So sometimes if it is crashed or restarted, then it will get reloaded from disk to the log table. So nothing will happen. So when you perform a save point, if suppose you have not performed a save point, then it will be very difficult. Okay. So that's why make sure that parameter for the backup is enabled. So what is that parameter? NQ/backup file. NQ/backup file. So make sure that this parameter is enabled. So in the worst case, if crash, something happens to the NQ, so we can reload to the log table from disk to table. Okay, understood. So what is the path? So this backup file will store in the USR SAP SID. So what is that? SID. Okay. Then D followed by instance number. D followed by instance number log/enq/bck. So this is the path. Okay. So if in the interview someone asks this question, you need to answer like this. Okay. So I will show you the path. So I will log into the putty of the Lineage server. So I will log in with the root user and okay. So I'll log in. So what is the path? CD USR SAP SID EH7. Okay, enter. CD log so see log enq back. So this is the path So if you set this parameter enable, then only it will appear here. Otherwise, it will not appear here. So this is all about the NQ. Okay. Okay. Any doubt till here? So NQ is also got finished. So NQ is also got finished. So any doubt till here? Anybody? Guys, any doubt?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So see, if suppose Shravya, Samson, if meeting is see, now the meeting will get disconnected in another 2 minutes. So please join with the same link. So every day you need to join with the same link. Okay. So if
Okay, sir.
meeting get ended, you will join with the same link. Okay. So now, so this is NQ. So still some 15 minutes is there for you. So today I will teach you the basic commands of Linux. So because if I go for the another topic, the time will get short here. So okay. So only 2 minutes is left. Okay. So I will disconnect here. So please join with the same link. Okay. So in the fresh link, I will start the basic Linux command. Okay. So please join everybody with the same link.